Not visible. Huh? Visible. You are not visible to me. साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदं वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धं सारवद्विश्वतोमुखं हस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः। ऐवन्न ऋलक् ए ओम ऐ औच हयवरट् लन न्याममननं झभै घडरश् जगगडरश् खफ चठथ चटतौ कपै शशसल हल् इति माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि अकुकविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः इचुयशानां चालु ऋटुदशानां मूर्धा नुटुलसानां दन्ताः उभुबध्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ न्यमागणनां नासिका च एदैतोः कण्ठतालु ओरौतोः कण्ठ ओष्ठं पकारस्य दन्त ओष्ठं जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यं नासिकानुस्वारस्य। रामो राजमनिः सदा विजयते रामं रमेशं भजे रामेणाभिषता निशाचरचमूः रामाय तस्मै नमः। रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहं रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे भो राम मामुद्धर। रामान्नास्ति Ramat plus na plus asti. Ramat plus na. What sandhi? Yesterday we saw same sandhi. Here, Ramat. Remind. Sorry. Mic. Oh, now it's all right. Down. And I can't increase the volume. Now it's all right. Okay. Now it's okay? Okay? Ramat plus nasti. Ramat plus na plus plus asti. So Ramat plus a will become.
Oh, that's yesterday what you did. You should have something.
Yes. That's right.
Yeah, because is Anunasika, and then is fifth case.
Yes.
And then Takara becomes Nakara because it's dental.
Yes. Yes.
You are asking this?
Yes. What do you think I'm asking then? I'm asking that only. You have to spot the sandhi, or sandhi what we saw. And another example, Dharma Satyam Jagan Mithya. You often hear Swami saying, right? Jagat plus Mithya. Jagat plus Mithya. Jagat will become Jagat. Jastum label. Then this Anunasika Sandhi, what we saw. Nakara will be replaced by its Varga, Anunasika letter, Nakara. Jagan Mithya, Dharma Satyam Jagan Mithya. Same thing here. Ramad will become Ramad and Nakara will be replaced by Nakara. Because the following is Na, Anunasika letter. Raman Na. Na plus Asti, Nasti, Savana Dirga. Right? You will find this in many places. Jape Namatrayam Nityam Maharoga Nivaranam. Vaidinatha Ashtakam last Jape Nama. Jape Nama. Understand? Su Aujas Aushas Tabhyam Bis Nyebhyam Bis Nyasibhyam Bis Nyas Osam Ni Osuk Su Aujas. Yeah, 1 minute. I have given you the handout. It's only all this thing already I have sent you by mail. In the mail it will be elaborate. Many examples are given, but here only few examples for your easy reference. Right? You remember the example, you remember the root through the example. It will be easy. Only few examples, 2 or 3 examples will be there. Not all the examples. If I print all the examples, it will go pages. That is why I am sending that through email. Okay. So Sattvam, Natvam is elaborate. I will explain what. Already Natvam, how many times I explained? Many times. So I will explain in detail further. It's elaborately given, Natvam. Natvam, okay. And Natvam also is there. Shatvam is there. Sattvam is there. And consonant Sandhi, that I will give you tomorrow. After some more Sandhi rules I will teach you. Then this Jashta Vidhi 1, Jashta Vidhi 2, Chartha Vidhi 1 and 2. What is Chartha Vidhi 2? Avasana Jal. Then this Anunasika Sandhi and some more other rules I will teach you. Then I will give you the handout and send you by mail also. In the mail you will have a lot of examples. Homework will be there. You work out. Okay. Now let us stand this. Tit tas jhi, sit tas tha, nit vasmas, ta atam ja, thas atam dvam, it vahi mahim, ti taha anti, si taha tha, mi vaha maha, te ate ante, se ate dve, ye vahe mahe, bhavati bhavatah bhavanti, bhavasi bhavatah bhavata, bhavami bhavavah bhavamah, labate labete labante, labase labete labadve, labe labavage labamahe, karoti kurutah kurvanti, karoshi kurutah kurutha, karomi kurvah kurmah, kurute kurvate kurvate, kurushe kurvate kurudve kurve kurvahe kurvahe. Takara tam an, sakara tam ta, am va ma, ta atam anta, thaha atam dvam, I vahi mahi, abhavat abhavatam, abhavan abhavah, abhavatam abhavata, abhavam abhavava, abhavama, alabhata alabhetam, alabhanta, अलभथाः अलभेथाम् अलभध्वम् अलभे अलभावहि अलभामहि अकरोत् अकुरुताम् अकुर्वन् अकरोः अकुरुतम् अकुरुत अकरवम् अकुर्व अकुर्म अकुरुत अकुर्वाताम् अकुर्वत अकुरुताः अकुर्वाताम् अकुरुध्वम् अकुर्वी अकुर्वहि अकुर्महि अस्ति स्तः सन्ति असि स्तः स्त अस्मि स्वः स्मः आसीत् आस्ताम् आसन् आसीः आस्तम् आस्त आसम् आस्व आस्म. Then we will go to Rama Shabda. We have chanted all these Shabda yesterday. Then Rama. Rama Hari and all we have chanted yesterday. So if we do all the Shabdas, whole class will go. So Pullinga yesterday, today is Strilinga. Akarantaha, Strilingaha, Rama Shabdaha, Rama, Rame, Ramaha, Ramam, Rame, Ramaha, Ramaya, Ramabhyam, Ramabihi, Ramayi, Ramabhyam, Ramabhyaha, Ramayaha, Ramabhyam, Ramabhyaha, Ramayaha, Ramayoho, Ramana, Ramayam, Ramayoho, Ramasu, He Rame, He Rame, He Ramaha. Takshabda. Dakarantaha, Strilingaha, Takshabdaha, Sa Tetaha, Tam Tetaha, Taya Tavyam Tadihi, Tasyai Tavyam Tavyaha, Tasyaha Tavyam Tavyaha, Tasyaha Tayoho Tasam, Tasyam Tayoho Tasu. Etat Shabda. Dakarantaha, Strilingaha, Etad Shabdaha, Esha, Ete, Etaha, Etam, Enam, Ete, Ene, Etaha, Enaha, Etaya, Enaya, Etabhyam, Etadihi, Etasyai, Etabhyam, Etabhyaha, Etasyaha, Etabhyam, Etabhyaha, Etasyaha, Etayoho, Enayoho, Etasam, Etasyam, Etayoho, Enayoho, Etasu. Kim Akarantaha, Strilingaha, Kim Shabdaha, Ka Ekaha, Kam Ekaha, Kaya Kavyam Kadihi, Kasyai Kavyam Kavyaha, Kasyaha Kavyam Kavyaha, Kasyaha Kayoho Kasam, Kasyam Kayoho Kasu. Dakarantaha, Strilingaha, Yad Shabdaha, Ya Yeyaha, Yam Yeyaha, Yaya Yavyam Yabhi, Yasyai Yavyam Yabhyaha, Yasyaha Yavyam Yabhyaha, Yasyaha Yayoho Yasam, Yasyam Yayoho Yasu. I think we did yesterday, right? Yes. Napumsakalinga we did yesterday. Adisha. Oh, the one we did yesterday? Okay, anyway. Ikarantaha, Strilingaha, Nadi Shabdaha, Nadi, Nadyau, Nadyaha, Nadim, Nadyau, Nadihi, Nadya, Nadibhyam, Nadibihi, Nadyai, Nadibyam, Nadibhyaha, Nadyaha, Nadibyam, Nadibhyaha, Nadyaha, Nadyoho, Nadinam, Nadyam, Nadyoho, Nadishu, He Nadi, He Nadyau, He Nadyaha. Most important Shabda. Dakarantaha, Pullingaha, Marut Shabdaha, Marut, Marutau, Marutaha, Marutam, Marutau, Marutaha, Maruta, Maruthyam, Marutbihi, Marute, Maruthyam, Marutyaha, Marutaha, Maruthyam, Marutyaha, Marutaha, Marutoho, Marutam, Maruti, Marutoho, Marutsu, He Marut, He Marutau, He Marutaha. Then, Asmat, remember? Yes? Takarantah asmat shabdah Vishlingeshu samana rupah Aham avam vayam Mam ma avam nau Avavyam asmadhi Yumme avavyam nau Asmadhyam naha Mat avavyam asmat Mamame avayoho nau Asmakam naha Magi Asmasu Dakarantaha Yushmat Shabdaha Trishulingeshu Samana Rupaha Tvam Divam Yuyam Tvam Tva Divam Vam Yushman Vaha Tvaya Yuvabhyam Yushmadihi Tuvyamte Yuvabhyam Vam Yushmadyam Vaha Vat Yuvabhyam Yushmat Tavate Yuvayoho Vam Yushmatam Vaha Tvahi Yuvayoho Yushmasu. We'll stop here, just chanting. Then, yesterday we saw the Sandhi, Anunasika Sandhi. Sandhi is Anunasika Sandhi. You can see this slide. First is just the order of the application of the rules. This is with regard to the Vyanjana, consonant. Okay. For Ach, in your handout, Ach Sandhi is the first page. That's what I give. After that, Visarga, Bharta Visarga, and the Visarga undergoing change. Then third page deals with consonant Sandhi. Right? There, the first vidhi is Jastra Sandhi. Jastra Sandhi, the first vidhi you have to apply. When you apply Jastra vidhi, Padanta Jal becomes Jash. Then, after that, this Visarga which has become Sakara, right? Followed by Shakara or Chu, or followed by Murdani Shakara or Tu. Shtutta Vidhi will happen, right? Shtutta Vidhi which is in Tripahi, 8440, fourth section, 40th Sutra, 4041. So, after that Vidhi, if it is applicable, apply. You can see the flow. Jastra Vidhi number 1, then after that, Shtutva or Shtutva, that is the order in the given in the handout, you can see. Then after that, the rule what we saw yesterday, Anunasika Sandhi. If it is applicable, apply. This is a sequence. Whichever rule is applicable in this sequence, in this order, they have to follow this order, apply. After Anunasika Sandhi, now comes Jastra Vidhi number 2. What is Jastra Vidhi number 2? Padanta Jal? No. Jal followed by. Followed by? No. Jhash letter. Jhash, that is fourth letter or third letter. Jhash follows. Then Jastra Vidhi will apply. Remember that? Jastra Vidhi number 2, that you have to apply. Jastra Vidhi number 1, it is in 8-2. Jastra Vidhi number 2, it is in 8-4. In between many rules are there. But I am giving only those rules which we have seen. Some more rules I will insert later. Okay. Slowly increasing our Sandhi knowledge. I will insert other Sandhis later. But now, Jashta Vidhi number 1, 8, 2. After that, Stutva, if it is applicable, apply. Then you apply Anunasika Sandhi, what we saw yesterday. We are going to see for more examples on that. Then apply Jashta Vidhi number 2. Then apply Chartha Vidhi. What is Chartvam? The handout is there. Already we saw, okay, Chartvam. What is Chartvam? Jal letter followed by Khar letter. Jal will be replaced by Char letter. That is one. Avasana Jal also. Avasana Jal. Jal letter at the end. You have come up to 8-4. Okay. Now the Jal letter is still there. At the end, Avasana, Jal will become optionally Char. That is Chartha Vidhi number 2. That is what Chartha Vidhi number 2. Okay. Same Chartha Vidhi. Number 1 is followed by Kar. Okay. Avasana. Number 2. Chartha Vidhi number 2. I just naming it 1 and 2. Okay. And after that, Anuswara Sandhi, Pura Savana, that some days we will see. Okay. Now we are in Anunasika Sandhi. Okay. So we will see that. More examples. Let us recall what we saw. Anunasika Sandhi. The name itself implies the Adesha. Right? Anunasika will be the Adesha. Sthani is Yar. By Yar we should not include, I told, by Yar we should not include these semi-vowels. Sibilants, drop that. Only class consonants you consider. For our application you consider only class consonant. Even though Yar is there, this you need to remember. Even though Yar letter covers all the letters except the soft sibilant Ha, but for our application you have to consider only the class consonants. The 5 class consonants, 25, right? Among them the 5th letter, that is what is going to follow. That also you don't have to consider, right? If it follows, doesn't matter. Anyway, there may be some, I can give some example, maybe imaginary example I can give. Some imaginary example. If the Yar letter is Anunasika, followed by another Anunasika, what will happen? There is no such possibility. If it is there, we will see, but I think I would have given some examples on that. Okay, it is not there. Let us not imagine. If it is there, you do whatever is apply the rule. Always simply just join Neranam only. Nothing is going to happen. Okay. Now, Vak plus Moolam Neshara Visa, then Ut plus Nayanam. The next one you can see, the third example. Ut plus, this is the imaginary example, yes. This is different imaginary, okay, not the previous one I told. This is Jnanam is there. There is no word Jnanam. Jnanam is there. But this Jna is not there. Jna is not there. Jna is there. Only an imaginary example. What will happen? Ut is a padam. This is another padam. So apply Jashta Vidhi number 1. So that becomes Ut. Ut plus this following letter is Anunasika. Then this Takara will become, what will happen? Takara is Tavarga letter. Following letter is Chavarga letter. So 2 and 2 in contact. The example is to show the application of Shtutra Sandhi. Right? So Tavarga letter is in contact with Chavarga letter. So what will happen to Tavarga letter? Will become Chavarga letter. So Dakara will be replaced by Jakara. So which plus Jnana. So when you combine what you get, this Takara is it, which is Yar letter, followed by Anunasika. Now Anunasika Sandhi you have to apply. Applying that, Jakara will be replaced by its Anunasika letter, that is Omnyanam. Or if you leave it as it is, it becomes Utnyanam. Okay, this is imaginary example. Right, no? Okay. So this example shows the application of Shtutra Sandhi. Only for that this example. Because I showed the order, Shtutra Sandhi and Shtutra, then Anunasika Sandhi. What about battery? So you understand this example? This example is to show the application of Shutva Sandhi also. Jashtva, Shutva, then Anunasika, and finally get a form. It's an imaginary example because there is no this word. Jnanam is not there. Okay. Okay, clear? Yes. Any doubt in this?
Just to confirm, maybe it sounds stupid, but so practically I should put in my head this consequence of the rules.
Rules, yes.
Otherwise it's not possible.
Otherwise you will get the wrong form.
Wrong.
Yes, yes. Suppose you apply directly here, Uttha plus Jnana. You apply Anunasika Sandhi, directly apply. What will happen? If that Akara will become Nakara. You are skipping Shutva Sandhi. That should be applied. Then why is that rule is there? You get Unyana. That is not fair. Shutva Sandhi to be applied. Right? Even if you don't apply Jashtva, you will get the same form. But Jashtva must be applied. In this case, we don't see much implication of not applying Jashtva. But in other cases, form may change. Whether it is Ut or Ut, doesn't matter. Anyway, that is going to be replaced by another word. Therefore, doesn't matter whether you apply Jashtva or not. But Shutva must be applied. If you don't apply Shutva, you get Unyana. That is not the desired form. Because you are not applying this Shutva Sandhi Vidhi. That must be applied. Right? So directly you cannot apply Anunasika. Apply that first and then Anunasika. This is the order. That's why I say, remember this order. Jashtva, Shutva, Shtutva, whatever Sandhi applicable, then come to this Anunasika Sandhi. Yes.
One size larger.
Huh?
One size larger.
Larger. Okay. Clear. This sequence of application of rules comes only with practice. You have to do abhyasa. That comes practice again and again. Then it will come. It doesn't come, takes time. I also worked out and taught teaching, so I know the sequence. See, and always the derivation is like this. The final form, I know. So to bring the final form, I apply the rules. That comes after some time. You will be knowing the final form. So with the final form in mind, you apply the rules. What rule, which rule apply, when to apply, that is the grammar, study of Panini Sutra. Okay. So you know the language first. With the language in mind, with the words in mind, the final form in your mind, you apply the sequence of rules. That's why language first and then grammar. Through grammar, if you try to learn language, it's difficult. Then you will apply rules and you will get a form which is not there in the language. The grammar is only for the existing language, not for the creating a language. For the existing language, Panini she wrote Sutra. Okay. Then next one. This example you can know. Okay. Even though it is an imaginary example, but in this example you see the application of Shutva Sandhi. The next one. In other examples you will not find a sequence. All the rules are not applied. I have given you only the final form. You have to apply. Everything I do, then take a lot of space. I am not doing. Tad plus na, directly I given the form. Tad plus na, what will happen? Apply Jashtva Sandhi. What change will happen? Nothing. Tad plus na will remain Tad plus na. Then Shutva Sandhi possible? Yes? Why? Takara is 2. Nakara is also 2. Not possible. So then comes Anunasika Sandhi. Takara is your letter, followed by Anunasika. Replace Takara by its Anunasika letter, optionally. Therefore you get Tanna or Tadna. In Tanna you will say in Bhashya. Tadna, Tanna. Purvapakshi will say, and Dashakara will say Tanna, Tadna. What you say is not correct. Or Naisha Doshaha. These are the things you will find in Bhashya. Purvapakshi will write an argument and Dashakara will say Tanna. Means it is not that. Jagat plus Nataha. Jagat is Padam. Nata is another Padam. Dakara is Padantajal. Apply just from. What will happen? Nothing will happen. The form will be same. After that, Shutva is not possible because Dakara and Nakara both belong to the same Varga. Now we apply Anunasika Sandhi. Dakara is class consonant, here letter, followed by Anunasika. So you get Jagannathaha or Jagatnathaha. Okay. Clear? This I'll show you. Suppose it Jagat is there. Jagat plus Nataha. You don't apply the preceding rules. Just and all you don't apply. Directly come to Anunasika. Right? Takara is what letter? Here letter. And followed by Anunasika. So applying this rule you get Jagan Nataha. Okay, this one you got. What about the optional form? You will get Jagat Nataha. That is not the desired form. Because you are not applied Jashtra Sandhi. That is comes first. Right? Apply Jashtra. Dakara should become Dakara. That is why I insist to know the order. Even though this is optional, this form you will get, but what about this form? You will not get. End up getting wrong form. Clear? So, the next one, just showing all the examples. The examples are easy. You can see. Shat plus Mukaha. Shat is Dakara. Pradanta Dakara. Shat means 6. Just a Sandhi apply. Same. And after that, Shutva not possible. Apply this Anunasika Sandhi. Dakara will be replaced by its Anunasika. Murdanya Nakara. Shan Mukaha or Shat Mukaha. Not Shat Mukaha. Remember, this form, this is not correct. This you will get if you miss applying Jashtra. So, Jashtra must be applied. Shat becomes Shad. Shad becomes Shan. Then the next one. Tvak plus Mochanam. Tvak plus Mochanam. Tvak, Dakara, here letter, replaced by corresponding Anunasika letters, Tvam Mochanam. Or just add that. Tvak Mochanam, just mail it up. Examples clear? You want to copy the examples? Please do. Before I move to the next page. All examples are there. Are you all comfortable with the Visarga Sandhi? Is it? Yes? They spent a lot of time. Visarga, Prasirgaya, followed by all those things. Okay? Prasirgaya, followed Nanga, followed by Shar, Kar, all those things they have done a lot of exercises. Right? Yes? No? Somewhat.
This something is very theoretical.
Very?
Like theoretical thing. I personally get fed up of all this theory.
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 Yeah, it's theory only.
Yeah.
What practically you want?
No. Sometimes I get fed up and just I go to create and words and something, like from the language.
What language? What practical is? The practicality is when I give you the Gita, you should be able to split the words. That's the only practical. For Padacheda, Sandhi is must. Without Sandhi, Padacheda not possible. What are the Padams are there? Where you stop? Where you pause in Gita also? So verse is there. You are cutting the verse into four quarters, right? When you chant, how to cut? And whether to cut or not. Sometimes you should not cut also. Because it is one line, Samasa. Janma Jukka Jaravari Dukka Darshanam. It's one line, second line. And 13th chapter. Janma Dukka, what is that? Janma Dukka Jaravari Dukka Darshanam. You cannot split. Samasa. Janma Dukka, whatever, Janma Dukka Jara, something. Okay. So, you should know Sandhi to split. Once you split, then you can identify the Vibhakti. The Padam you can identify what Padam is. Vibhakti, Vachanam, Linga, what Karaka. Sandhi is the base for that. So Sandhi knowledge is very important. The next one, Copy? Yeah. Mat plus nivasaha. Mat plus nivasaha. Man nivasaha. Mat plus nivasaha. Mannatha Shri Jagannatha. Madguru Shri Jagadguru. Gurustotram Mannatha. Matnatha. Mamanatha Mannatha. My Natha, my Lord. Etat plus Murarihi. Etat plus Murarihi. Either Etat Murarihi or Etan Murarihi. Applying Anunasika Sandhi. Agnichit Nayati. Agnichin Nayati or Agnichit Nayati. Dig plus Nagaha. Din Nagaha or Dig Nagaha. Just as Sandhi applied. Clear? So, in all the above examples, Jashtra Sandhi is applied first and then only Anunasika Sandhi. In between, if Chutva, other Sandhis applicable, you should apply. First, you be comfortable with this Trikriya, this method. Then, if I introduce some more rules, then you will understand. Right? Please copy this. Any doubt in these examples? What is it?
What is the form or usual?
Good. Yeah, the first one. Applying Anunasika. Applying Anunasika is the most commonly seen. For Anunasika Sandhi, I will recommend you to remember one example. Jagan Mithya. Jagat plus Mithya, Jagan Mithya. We often use that phrase Dharma Satyam Jagan Mithya or Jagannatha. Any one. One Sandhi, one example. Similarly, Jashtra, Jagat plus Ishaha, Jagadishaha. One example for each Sandhi. So when you solve a Sandhi, when you split a Sandhi, if you have any doubt, you can check with the example. Check with the example and you can split the Sandhi. Copy? Finish, tell me. Done? Okay. So two things are to be noted. First one is Jashtra Sandhi must be applied. Second one, by here, only the class consonants should be considered. Why? Why class consonants? Giving an example. Chatur plus Mukaha. You see this example. Chatur plus Mukaha. Chatur Padam. Mukaha another Padam. Chatur Repa is there. Repa is there. Is it a year or not? Yeah? No? Is it a year or not? Samshaya asti va? Higher word we are saying year is a year. Okay. When you say year, don't think about the year as a itha letter. Higher word year is there. That year, the Repa is there. So Repa is year letter only. Followed by Anunasika letter. So what should happen if you apply this rule? It becomes Chatun Mukaha. But that is not the desired form. We don't have Chatun Mukha. Chatur Mukha only is there. Right? Chatur Mukha Brahma we say.
By this rule itself we cannot apply, no? Because it doesn't have any Anunasika after that.
Sorry?
After there is no Anunasika.
So Repa is saying, yeah, why not Anunasika is there? Repa is, what is Uchchara Sthanam? Murdha. Repa is Murdanya. Right? And Anunasika Murdanya is Nakara. Nakara should come. Right? So, Murdanya for Repa is Nakara. So, Chatur Mukha must come. But that form is not there in the language. Only Chatur Mukha only is there. Therefore, Repa is excluded. Thereby excluded means what? All the semi vowels are excluded and sibilants are also excluded. One example is given. This is how in the grammar also Pura Pakshi will raise question. Why? Then example will give. In the language there is no word. Chaturmukha is not there. Chaturmukha is there. Such words are there. Therefore, semi-vowels and sibilants should not be considered as part of yer in this vidhi. Right? So this is a counter example. We will give example for applying the vidhi. Counter example where it is not applied. Why it is prohibited. Always remember the vidhi is not the tight rule. With the form in mind we have to apply vidhi. Form is apply the vidhi to get the form. Vidhi is that I will apply, you will not get the form. So that is why Chaturmukha you would have heard Chaturmukha Brahma Devanam. So Chaturmukha is a form. Therefore, this vidhi cannot be applied. And why is here is given? As I told, it is given for the sake of anudhriti for the subsequent sutras in Sutra Pada. Therefore, here is there. But you can consider practically it is only class consonants. Okay, then, is it clear? Yes? Now, this is Padantayar followed by Anusika. Now, the next one is Padantayar followed by a pratyaya. Followed by a pratyaya. Listen carefully and then I can write. Padantayar followed by a pratyaya beginning with Anusika letter. Then the yer must be replaced. Must be replaced by Anusika letter. There is no optionality here. This is Vaya Vartika. This is Vaya Vartika. Vartika, you know what Vartika is? Akyakaram Vararuchim, Bhashyakaram Patanjalim, Praninim Suttakaram Cha, Atostimuritrayam. So, Vakyakara is Vararuchi. Otherwise called Katyayani. Two names are there. So, here is written Vartika. Vartika means to the sutras, what Panini Maharishi is not mentioned. That Vartikara will mention. This has not been told. So, you will add. So, by the Vartika, he says, Padantayar, when it is followed by a pratyaya, beginning with Anusika, then this rule is a compulsory one, not an optional one. This rule must be applied. Therefore, you will not have options from here. Tad plus matram. Tad is padam. Tad is padam. Matra is pratyaya. Tadika pratyaya. Matrach pratyaya is there. There is a pratyaya called matrach. Okay. Matrach is there, you get tan matra. So tad plus matra. Matrach is a pratyaya, tad is a padam, and padanta yar should be replaced by its corresponding Anusika letter, which is nakara. Therefore, you get tan matra. What is tan matra? You know, Panchamahabhuta. Panchamahabhuta. Shabda, Sparsha, Rupa, Rasa, five Panchamahabhuta, 5 elements, which are represented by Shabda, Sparsha, Prithvi, Akasha, Vayu. That's called tan matra. 5 elements in the Sukshma, Rupa state. Right? That is called. Etasmat, in Tattvapada, would have read Akasha, Vayu, Sattva, Rajas, Tamo, Gunatika, Maya. Then from the Dharmashaya, Mayayaha, Akasha, Sambhutaha, Akasha, Vayu, Vayu, Agnihi, those are the tan matras. Tattva plus matra, tan matra. Matra is pratyaya. Right? Then Chid plus Maya. Mayat pratyaya. This is also a Tadita pratyaya. Here Takara, Chakara, they are equal letters. Okay. Mayat. Mayat is a pratyaya. Tadita pratyaya. They are not seeing what Tadita pratyaya is. Don't worry. It's a pratyaya. We have no only Subanta, Tinganta pratyaya. We have got many pratyayas are there. Krit pratyaya, Someya, Tadita pratyayas are there. Samasanta pratyayas are there. So this is one pratyaya. When a pratyaya beginning with Makar, Anusika is there, then this rule is a must. Therefore, this Padantayar will be replaced by its corresponding Anusika, you get Chinmaya. Chinmayananda. Chinmaya. Chin Mudra. They are also applied. Chin Mudra. Okay. Chit plus mudra, chin mudra. Up plus maya. What is up? Water. Up is water. Huh? Apaha. It is nitya bhagavachanam. Apaha. Up is a pratipadika. I mean, it's a padam. Up is a padam. So up plus maya will become ammaya. Pakara replaced by its pronasika. You get ammaya.
Annamaya kosha. Annamaya. Is there something else?
Nothing is there. Mayat is there. That is there. The same pratyaya mayat is there. But that this rule is not applied. Annamaya is, it is vikara. Vikarate mayat. Mayat is a pratyaya. It is, somebody would have told, it is used in two senses. Mayat pratyaya. One is vikarate, that which has gone modification. Mayat pratyaya used. Or that which is plenty, huge quantity, abundant. Mayat is used. Jalamaya. It's full of jalam, plenty of water, jalamaya. Shariram is annamaya, plenty of food, not plenty of food, maybe plenty of food, maybe they're inside. It is modification of food, modification of annamaya. So in these two senses, mayat pratyaya is used. Vikararte mayat, prachuryarte mayat. Okay, that is not our discussion, I'm just giving extra information. Okay, so it's a pratyaya. So you get ammaya. So annamaya is different. Is this clear?
Shouldn't we, in this rule, yar, we should consider only the class consonant or all yar in this rule?
Only class consonants. Yes, everywhere class consonants only. Okay. Right? Clear these examples? You want to copy this? Copy it or copy it? Please copy. This is number B, A, B. The first one is A, this is B. For A it is optional, but here it is mandatory. Yes, yes, yes.
But why chin mudra? Mudra is it
Chin mudra, it's not a pratyaya there. It's not a pratyaya, but we apply this chit plus mudra, chin mudra. We applied the previous one. Mudra is not a pratyaya. Yes, it's correct.
Suppose it is sir plus matra.
Sir, huh?
The first one, I'm just saying imaginary example. The sir is sir, something like that. Then, not good.
We cannot apply it, mudra and nakara will not become. Is it clear? I thought you will have some more question on this, but nobody asked. I also want to poke that. If this understanding is fine, fine. I thought you will ask some other question, but nobody asked. I also leave it. I don't want to, what do you call, you poke the honeycomb. Let it be there like this, safely, no problem. Otherwise I will say something, you will get unnecessarily confused, so I am leaving it.
No background.
Huh?
No background.
No?
Background.
No, no. No, this is extra information, but I thought, but you can, if you have understood what has been taught, definitely you will ask this question. But I found nobody asked this. I'll give a clue. That is padam. This is pratyaya, adding which we get tanmatra. That only there, only it is there. Okay, I'll leave it to you. Okay, let us leave it as it is, no problem. If you know, if you want to clarify, if you ask that question, I will answer. Otherwise, I'll leave it. Not that I don't want to answer. If you ask means you are ready for the answer, then I can answer. But since you are not asking, unnecessarily I should not confuse. Minimum confusion, more understanding. That's good. So that's why I am leaving it. If you want to know what it is, you ask me personally, I will tell you. Okay, move on to the next one. Further down. Yes? Okay. Why here? Why padantaya? Not why here. Why padantaya? One example is given. Yat plus naha. What is yat? It's good. One guess is yat is a shabda. Other possibility? Huh?
This or that, something like that.
That's what she said, shabda. Other possibility. What is yat? Anybody? What is yat? From shabda, come out.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
No. Ya means that yat is a shabda. That's okay.
Apart from Shabda.
Apart from, not a pratipadikam, not a shabda, not a namapadam. Or it could be then. Huh? Very good. What is that? Dhatu. That's what. Yat is a dhatu. Atmanepadi dhatu. Yatate, yatete, yatante. Yatase, yatete, yatadve. Yate, yatamahe, yatamahe. Yatihi anal comes from that dhatu only. Yati is sannyasi. Yati. So yat dhatu. Yat means to attempt, to put forth effort. Yat plus naha. Some pratyaya, krit pratyaya is added. Right? Dhatu plus ting pratyaya, we know the derivations, right? Pat plus ti, patati. Similarly, that is tinganta. But here, naha is some pratyaya is added. Some krit pratyaya. Now, this is a dhatu. Is dhatu is a padam? No. Dhatu is not a padam because dhatu is prakriti. You have to add pratyaya. Pratyaya then only become a padam. So, this being not a padam, so takara is there, followed by nakara, which is anunasika, and this takara is ear letter. You cannot apply this rule because this is not a padanta ear. It is not a padanta ear. So, if you apply, if you just apply to any ear, then you will get yanna. But yannaha form is not there. Yatnaha only is there. Yatnaha is what? Effort. Prayatna, effort. We know that word, right? So, therefore, here, this anunasika rule should not be applied. Why? Because yet the takara is not a padanta here. It's a padanta here. So, therefore, since yatnaha is a desired form, therefore, we have to specify padanta here. That is why I asked you to correct in the handout also. It is padanta here. If padanta here is not there, you will apply that and you will get the form yannaha. Yannaha, okay. Suppose if we get yannaha, now you split yannaha. What will happen? You can try. Yannaha you split. One is, naha is I am giving. Uttara padam. Pura padam will be assuming that to be a padam. Yad. Yad plus naha, yannaha. And here, yat plus naha, suppose yannaha you are saying, this yat is dhatu, this yat is pratipadikam. Padam, different. Clear? So therefore, padanta yat is important. More examples? Yes. Swap plus naha, swap is dhatu, naha is pratyaya. Swapnaha only form is there. Right? Swapnaha we know. There is no swamnaha is not there. Swamnaha form is not there. So if you apply this yar vidhi, this anunasika vidhi, considering this takara, the yar letter, any yar letter, whether padanta or apadanta, then you will get swamnaha. That is not desired. Therefore, padanta must be specified. Similar other examples are given. Kshuk plus na, one thing and the example is given. Kshuk plus na plus ti, pratama purusha ekavacham, tit pratyaya. And this na is ninth gana dhatu. Kshuk is ninth gana dhatu, therefore its corresponding vikarana pratyaya na. Like shab, we have na is there. Now here, this is the dhatu, prakriti, this is the gana vikarana pratyaya, and this is ting pratyaya. All this only will make a padam. Kshuk is not a padam. Apadanta, ear letter. Therefore, we cannot apply anunasika rule there. So, what will happen? Kshuk plus na plus ti will become kshupnati. If you apply this, you will get kshupnati. That is not the desired form. Clear? Similarly, badnati, mannati, and all. And this is vid dhatu. Vid means to know. Vid, from that only you get veda and all. Second gana dhatu. With plus nip. Nip is Uttama Purusha Ekavachana Pratyaya. With. So with plus nip, what will happen? This Rakara is a Padantayar. Therefore, you cannot apply Anunasika rule. If you apply, you will get Vedmi. There is no such form Vedmi. Only Vedmi is there. Right? So, these are the example why Padantayar must be specified. Okay. So now the understanding will be total, hopefully.
What is that naha?
Huh?
From where is naha?
Naha is a pratyaya. Naha is a pratyaya. It is tha pratyaya. You will study Krida pratyaya, tha pratyaya. Tha will become naha. So these are the examples to show why it should be Padantayar. Okay. So Anunasika Sandhi is only this much is there, nothing else. So if you understand, in 2 days it's okay. Then after that we will move to the next rule. Anunasika Sandhi, is it clear? Put a tick mark. Right. Still doubt is there? No.
Habitual errors may happen.
That is okay. What to do? We are doing Nididhyasana on grammar, not only on Vedanta. Grammar also is required. Did you do Nididhyasana for the last 1 month? No. Okay, I'll give some homework, some few examples you can try. Please note this. Before this, I'll show you one thing, then we can do this. Okay, you can write this, please. Few examples. You can take 5 examples and try to solve. This is splitting. Okay, splitting the sandhi. Yeah. Zooming. I think this is maximum. Sandhi vichedam kruta. So you have to split. Shan masaha. Etan manoharaha. Nishedha. Tan nakaraha. For that I have given an example. I myself have done that. Tan nakaraha. Yes. Nishedha. What is that? Can tell me what would be the padam? Nishedha. No? Very good. It. You're going to study straight later. It is an agama. It nishedha. In nishedha. You write 5 examples, any 5. So try to solve it by yourself. Copy? Only you write these words, then split it later. You can do it tomorrow. So let me summarize what I said. Anunasika Sandhi. Padantayar followed by Anunasika, 5th letter of the classes. And yar means only the class concepts you have to consider. So yar followed by Anunasika, the yar letter will be replaced by its corresponding Anunasika letter optionally. So you have 2 forms. But if the Padantayar is followed by the Pratyaya, if it is a pratyaya beginning with Anunasika, then the rule is compulsory, there is no optionality. This is what this Anunasika Sandhi is. And when you apply Anunasika Sandhi, which is 8, 4, 45, the Tripadi, the last section of last chapter. Before applying that, you have to see what are the rules, previous rules applicable. Apply that first and then come there. Jasta Vidhi must be applied. If it is applicable, apply it. Right? Jasta Vidhi, Shutva, Shutva. Then you come to Nasika Sandhi. This is what we have seen so far. Right? Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om.